안녕하세요. Welcome back to Chapter 2. I'm Doi Kim, your Korean teacher. Leave a comment if you have any questions. As you might know, my course includes vocabulary, grammar, and speaking practice. 시작해볼까요? Today's lesson, we're gonna learn basic words related to countries. I will read twice each word, so repeat after me. Country, 나라, 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 나라. Person, 사람, 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 사람. Now we're gonna learn some countries in Korean. Repeat after me. Korea, 한국, 한국. Turkey, 터키, 터키. Japan, 일본, 일본. China, 중국, 중국. Vietnam, 베트남, 베트남. America, 미국, 미국. England, 영국, 영국. Canada, 캐나다, 캐나다. Spain, 스페인, 스페인. France, 프랑스, 프랑스. India, 인도, 인도. Philippines, 필리핀, 필리핀. Now let's practice phrases. There are two sentences in Korean and English. So repeat after me. 어느 나라 사람이에요? 어느 나라 사람이에요? But English, where are you from? 어느, which, 나라, country, 사람, person, 이에요, are you? It sounds a bit weird in English, but try to remember the order in Korean. 어느 나라 사람이에요? Repeat after me twice. 어느 나라 사람이에요? 어느 나라 사람이에요? Now it's time to answer where are you from. I'm a Turkish in Korean. 터키 사람이에요. 터키 사람이에요. Turkey, 터키. Person, 사람. 이에요, I am. So, 터키 사람이에요. Repeat after me twice. 터키 사람이에요. 터키 사람이에요. So you put your country first and then say 사람 and 이에요. And there is another way to say where do you come from? It's same in Korean. 어디에서 왔어요? 어디, where, 에서, from, 왔어요? Did you come? 왔어요 actually in Korean came, the past tense. But in Korean we don't need did you or are you or something. Repeat after me. 어디에서 왔어요? 어디에서 왔어요? Where do you live in Korean is 어디에 살아요? 어디, where, 에, at or in. 살아요, do you live? As you might notice, in Korean, it is not that important, the subject, such as he, she, they, it, or something. So you don't have to worry about what you put for the subject. So important part is the verb. So repeat after me. 어디에 살아요? 어디에 살아요? How we can say I live in Seoul in Korean. First, city, 서울, 에, at, in, 살아요, I live. 서울에 살아요. In Korean, there is no difference between a question and a statement. So you don't need to worry about what subject and what verb you should use. Just focus on which tense you should use. So 살아요 is present tense. Repeat after me. 서울에 살아요. 서울에 살아요. This is the answer of where do you live? How can we say I live in Ankara? 저는 앙카라에 in 살아요, live. There is 저는, but it's not that important in Korean. You can skip the part. So, 저는 앙카라에 살아요. Or just 앙카라에 살아요. Repeat after me. 저는 앙카라에 살아요. 저는 앙카라에 살아요. Great. Now it's time to practice some conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after it.
어느 나라 사람이에요?
터키 사람이에요.
어느 나라 사람이에요?
터키 사람이에요.
어디에서 왔어요?
터키에서 왔어요.
어디에서 왔어요?
터키에서 왔어요. 어디에 살아요?
서울에 살아요.
저는 앙카라에 살아요. 어디에 살아요?
서울에 살아요.
저는 앙카라에 살아요.
감사합니다. 다음에 또 만나요.